today has been our off day. No diving today, just to let our bodies basically taking a certain amount of nitrogen when you're diving because of the oxygen mix, and you gotta let it get out of your body before you can go back in after a certain amount of dives. So that's what we've been doing today. I spent the morning reading my book, listening to music in the sun, very nice. Had some lunch, I've had some photos. We've got to share what we want to put forward for the exhibition poster when we get back. So that's what I've been doing this afternoon. But yeah, I'm just about to go over and meet everyone else because I think we're going to some sort of dog sanctuary that the owners of this dive place have set up for wild dogs and strays that them a home. Yeah, so we'll go and check that out, see if we get any nice photos of the dogs. If not, we'll go to see some dogs, which is always nice. Look, puppies! Wreck site, which is a big container ship that sunk a few years ago now. Had lots of little plastic pellets. You see it? Yeah, lots of tiny little plastic pellets. Yeah, it's a really cool dive to do, big wreck, which is exciting. But we've turned up and there's just some ospreys nesting on a little bit of shack roof, which is nuts. Super rare in England, but look, here it comes swooping in. What on earth is going on? They're egrets, not herons. Get right, you MHP student. But yeah, it's quite murky at the moment out there, so we're just gonna give it a little while me and Jay are going to go on another night dive. I don't know how many more dives I'm going to get because the weather tomorrow looks shit, and Wednesday might go in, but we don't have cameras and I want to let my suit dry out because it takes so long to dry this thing out. So hopefully we have a good dive. Diving. We have to leave 24 hours before we fly, basically your body to get used to the pressures of flying. Yeah, I handed my camera back this morning and then I did 2 dives this afternoon with Jay and Kellen. We were just messing about in the water, having some fun without the cameras, because having the cameras is like a weight and it's just annoying to have sometimes if you don't really know what you want to take a photo of. Don't get me wrong, it's been great to have the cameras, but suddenly going into a dive and not having a camera is quite freeing. So yeah, I had the GoPro chucked that on the floor. The current, there's a really strong current. We had to properly quite swim back, which isn't normal because usually it's quite a gentle, relaxing. But yeah, there was quite a strong current. There's quite strong winds today. You can probably see the tent moving and stuff. So yeah, just gonna edit some photos and then have some dinner, and that'll be tonight's plan. It's very windy. What do you have to say to the vlog, Matt?
It's been a good trip here in Egypt. Just on our way for the final night, having a few Egyptian beer called Stella.
Yes.
Yeah, it's been a really good trip. Got some nice photos.
Jay, anything to include?
Yeet.
So, I've just gone to get all my dive kit from the dryers, and it started raining. I think it's about to get quite hard, you know? There's some very big dark clouds in front of me. So, I wanted to go and get the dive kit before it got all wet again. But yeah, I'm going to start packing now. I'm going to pay the tab, but we won't leave till 3:30. I'm all packed up and checked out, paid my tab. Our big bag gets picked up at 1 and taken to the front desk. Lunch is at 1, and then the minibus leaves at 3, so not much to do in the meantime. It's been a good trip though. Good the holiday, guys.
It was sunny. Got him.
Okay.
Are you actually? This is actually good. You think?
Yeah.
Oh, it was actually legit.
Jay?
That was legit. That was legit.
Unmake that bed, son. Yeah, we decided it would be nice and unmake the bed for them since they've made it every day for us. So, you know.
Ta-da!
Bye, tent.
Look at that string.
Offshore reef.
Yeah, I know.
through security, but there's still Christmas trees up in Egypt. Look, Santa. So there's some birds in this duty-free shop, and they're using this Christmas snow decoration as a nest. It's pretty cool. There it goes. We're back in Gatwick. Have some dinner. My meal deal was quality. Quavers, prawn cocktail, and the naked drink. Jay doesn't approve though. Look at that lovely British weather. We've checked out of our hotel this morning and we've come to pick the cameras up from the other hotel where the lecturers were staying. And then we're going to get on the minibus home. Whoa! Fade into the chair.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Where are we, Kellen?
Hamish's vlog.
Where are we?
I hope you enjoy.